automating file transfer, downloading with J, and uploading to AWS S3. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to Automated File Transfer. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, efficient file transfer is crucial for businesses and developers. Automating file transfer processes saves time and minimizes the risk of human error. This podcast will guide you through the process of automating file transfers using two powerful tools, J for downloading files and AWS S3 for uploading them. You can seamlessly integrate these tools into a script for efficient and reliable file transfers. Setting up the J command for file downloads. J is a widely used command line utility for downloading files from the web. It's handy for automating the download process, allowing you to fetch files with a single command. Here's how to get started. Install J. Most Linux distributions come with J pre-installed. If not, you can install it using your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, use sudo apt-get install J. Basic J command. The basic syntax for J is J URL. This command downloads the file specified by the URL to the current directory. Advanced options. J offers various options for more advanced use cases. Downloading multiple files. JI file with URLs.txt. Resuming interrupted downloads. JC URL. Configuring AWS S3 for file uploads. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, is a scalable storage solution for hosting and retrieving files. To upload files to S3, you must configure the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI. Install AWS CLI. Install the AWS CLI by following the instructions on the official AWS documentation. 2. Configure AWS CLI. Once installed, configure it using AWS Configure. You'll be prompted to enter your AWS Access Key ID, Secret Access Key, region, and output format. 3. Create an S3 bucket. If you don't have an S3 bucket yet, create one using the AWS Management Console or the CLI. AWS S3MB S3: your bucket name. Combining J and AWS CLI in a simple script. With J and the AWS CLI configured, you can create a script to automate the download and upload process. Here's a simple bash script example. #bin/bash. Define the URL and S3 bucket. URL equals https:/example.com/file to download. S3_bucket equals your bucket name. Download the file using J. $URL o/tmp/downloaded file. Upload the file to AWS S3. AWS S3cp/tmp/downloaded file S3:sgd3_bucket/. Clean up rm/tmp/downloaded file. Echo file transfer complete. Executing the script for seamless file transfer. To execute the script, save it to a file, for example, transfer.ah, make it executable, and run it. Checkmod +x transfer.h. /transfer.h. This script will download and upload the specified file to your S3 bucket, automating the entire process. Troubleshooting common issues. Permission errors. Ensure your AWS CLI is correctly configured with the necessary permissions to access S3. Network issues. If J fails, check your internet connection and the URL for correctness. File overwrites. Be cautious about overwriting files in your S3 bucket. If necessary, use unique names or timestamped file names. Conclusion and best practices for automated transfers. Automating file transfers with J and AWS S3 is a powerful way to enhance your workflow. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Security. Always secure your AWS credentials and limit access using IAM roles and policies. Error handling. Implement error handling in your scripts to manage failures gracefully. Logging. Keep logs of your file transfers for troubleshooting and auditing purposes. By following these guidelines, you can ensure reliable and efficient automated file transfers in your projects. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.